Greetings of the day. In today's class, we will start from question number 8, exercise 14.3. Question number 8 is a random survey of the number of children of various age groups playing in a park was found as follows. Draw a histogram to represent the data above. Okay. Now in this question you can see the classes are continuous. Okay, the class intervals are continuous, but the width of the class are not same. It means the width of the rectangles are varying. Okay, for the first class interval, the class width or class size, okay, the class width is upper limit minus lower limit, so it will 2 minus 1 1. For the second class interval it will 3 minus 2 1. Okay, but for the third class interval it will 2. Okay, 5 minus 3 2. It means the width of the rectangles are varying. Okay, so we need to make certain modification in the length of the rectangle so that the areas are proportional to the frequencies. Okay, so first we will select a class interval with minimum class size. ठीक है, minimum class size. So here we can find the minimum class size. For the first class interval, the class size is 1. For the second class interval, the class size it is also 1. ठीक है, so we can say the class size is 1. ठीक है, minimum class size is 1. ठीक है, the second point is the length of rectangles are modified to proportionate to the class size 1. ठीक है, so here we need to make two columns. ठीक है, first one for the width of the class and second one for the length of the rectangles. ठीक है, the width of the class we know upper limit minus lower limit, so 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2, 10 minus 7 3, 15 minus 10 5, 17 minus 15 2. ठीक है, now we will find the length of the rectangles. ठीक है, so length of the rectangle is equal to number of children, it means the frequency. ठीक है, so frequency upon width of the class into minimum class width, or we can say minimum class size. Okay, so length of the rectangle for the first class interval, it will frequency upon width of the class into minimum width class, and the minimum width class is 1. ठीक है, so it will 5. ठीक है, so the modified length of the rectangle for the first class interval, it will be 5. Similar for second class interval, it will 3 by 1 into minimum width class is 1, so it will 3. ठीक है, for the third class interval, it will 6 by 2 into 1, so it will 3. ठीक है, for the next class interval, it will 12 by 2 into 1, it will 6. ठीक है, for the next class interval, it will 9 upon 3 into 1, so it will 3. For the next class interval, 10 upon 5 into 1, it will 2. For the last class interval, it will 4 by 2 into 1, so it will 2. ठीक है, now we will draw the histogram. ठीक है, so first we will draw two axes. Okay, x axis and y axis. Okay, so this is y axis and this is x axis. Okay, this is x and this is y axis. On x axis we are taking the age in years. ठीक है, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. Okay, and on y axis we are taking the length of rectangles, the modified length of the rectangles. ठीक है, and the scale we are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, length of the rectangles, modified length of the rectangle. Okay, modified length of the rectangles. For the first class interval, the modified length of the rectangle is 5. So we will draw the rectangles bar for the first class interval 1 to 2, and the frequency it is 5. It means the modified length of the rectangle it is 5. Okay, we will use here. For the second class interval 2 to 3, and the modified length is 3. Okay, for the next class interval it is 3. Okay, for the next class interval the modified length of the rectangle is it is also 3. So 3 to 5 it is also 3. Okay, for the next class interval 5 to 7, the modified length of the rectangle it is 6. 5 to 7 it is 6. Okay, so this is for the class interval 5 to 7. Next class interval, for the next class interval 7 to 10, the modified length of the rectangle it is 3. 7 to 10 it is 3. Okay, for the next class interval 10 to 15, the modified length of the rectangle it is 2. 10 to 15 it is 2. Okay, and for the last class interval 15 to 17, the modified length it is also 2. So this is for the class interval 15 to 17. Okay, so this is the histogram. Okay, the next question is question number 9. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surname was found as follows. The first part, draw a histogram to depict the given information, and the second part, write the class interval in which the maximum number of surname lies. Okay. So in this question, again you can see the classes are continuous. Okay, but the class width are not same. Okay, you can see here for the first class interval the class width is 3. Okay, for the second class interval it is 2. For the third class interval it is also 2. For the fourth class interval it is 4, and for the last class interval it is 8. It means the class width of the rectangles are varying. Okay, it means it is not same. Okay, so we need to make certain modification in the length of the rectangles. Okay, so that area proportional to the frequency. Okay, so first we will select the class interval with minimum class size. Okay, so minimum class size is here 8 minus 6 2, and 4 minus 6 it is 2. Okay, which is lie for the class interval second and third. Okay, so here the minimum class size is minimum class size it is 2. Okay, okay, and second point is the length of the rectangles are modified to the proportionate to the class size 2. Okay, so here we need to make more two columns. Okay, first one for the width of the class and second for the modified length of the rectangles. Okay, so width of the class, upper limit minus lower limit, 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 6 2, 12 minus 8 4, 20 minus 12 it is 8. Okay, now we will find the length of the rectangles. Okay, so length of the rectangles for the first class interval it will frequency upon width of the class, frequency upon width of the class into minimum class size, so it will 4. ठीक है. For the second class interval, it will frequency upon width of the class into minimum class size 2, so it will 30. For the third class interval, it will frequency upon width of the class into minimum width class 2, so it will 44. ठीक है. For the next class interval, frequency upon width of the class into minimum width class, so it will 8. ठीक है. And for the last class interval, 4 upon 8 multiply minimum class size 2, so it will 1. ठीक है. Now we will draw the histogram. ठीक है. So first we will draw two axes. Okay. This is x-axis. Okay. Sorry, this is y-axis, not x-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. So on x-axis we are taking the number of letters. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, and it is number of letters. ठीक है. Number of letters. And on y-axis we are taking the length of the rectangles. ठीक है. Modified length of the rectangles. Modified length. ठीक है. Modified lengths we are taking of the rectangles. Okay. On y-axis we are taking the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Okay. This is 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. And this is 50. ठीक है. 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay. For the first class interval 1 to 4, the length of the rectangle it is 4. ठीक है. So 4 lie between 0 to 10. ठीक है. So between 0 to 10, the fourth line will be the 4. ठीक है. So for the class interval 1 to 4, class interval 1 to 4. So this is for the class interval 1 to 4 and the modified length of the rectangle it is 4. ठीक है. For the next class interval 4 to 6, the modified length of the rectangle it is 30. 4 to 6 it is 30. So 30 तो we can find the exact value. ठीक है. On the graph 4 to 6. So this is for the class interval 4 to 6. ठीक है. For the next class interval 6 to 8, the modified length it is 44. So 44 will lie between 40 and 50. ठीक है. So between them the fourth line will be represent 44. ठीक है. So 6 to 8, 4, 6 to 8, the frequency, it means the modified length of the rectangle, it is 44. ठीक है. For the next class interval 8 to 12, the frequency, or you can say the length of the rectangle, modified length of the rectangle, it is 2. Sorry, it is 8. ठीक है. So again 8 will lie between 0 to 10. ठीक है, the 8 line between them. Okay, for 8 to 12, 8 to 12. ठीक है, and this is for the class interval 8 to 12, and for the last class interval 12 to 20, the modified length of the rectangle, it is 1, 12 to 20. Okay, so it will lie between 0 to 10, the first line. Okay, and suppose this is the first line. Okay, so this is for the class interval 12 to 20. Okay, now in this question we have to give an answer. This is the first part. Okay, the second part is write the class interval in which the maximum number of surname lie. So you can see here the maximum surname lie in the class interval 6 to 8. ठीक है, so class interval 6 to 8. Okay, the maximum surname lie in this class interval. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay,